I have profited close to 5% and the max was at 83%, and there are more than hundreds of trades that I've done throughout the entire year, and I've not realized a single loss yet. My name is Jay. I am a financial services manager with AIA. I have been following the spiking community for about a year. I have profited close to 5% and the max was at 83% through this 1 year that I've been using the software and going by Dr. Clemen's tutelage. And there are more than hundreds of trades that I've done throughout the entire year, and I've not realized a single loss yet. Dr. Clemen is a very good example of somebody who is always positive, and I look to him as a role model as well. And I guess benefiting from the whole spiking community is that you are in the know. From a finance background, I already have a bit of knowledge, but with Dr. Clemen's input, it just makes everything stronger. With regards to the spiking software, I guess the daily bread would be essentially something that is really easy to use. There is the momentum option in the options software that I feel is very good data that I use as well. So these two parts in particular are what I commonly read and use, and helps me to analyze my trades before I place my trades. It gives me more confidence as well. I have never attended any course that is in trading, ever. But I have had more than 10 years experience in the finance sector, reading up on my own in terms of finance. But I guess in terms of having it spot on or relevant, Dr. Clemen breathes a breath of fresh air for even a practitioner like me.